How can you have conviction in a market that seems bent on shaking you out at all costs? Sell, sell, sell. Each day it fools you. And sometimes you get intraday fakeouts, like we had this day. Dow finishing down 173 points after a roller coaster session, S&P losing 1.13%, and the Nasdaq tumbling 1.43%. Even as there were moments where this market looked so good that we thought it could explode to the upside. Yeah, that's right. It looked that good. And then after the close, we got a gut punch. One of the ugliest pre-announcements I ever come across in all the years that I am in business. All the ages. A dramatic shortfall and earnings cut. That's way too positive a way to put it. From FedEx, which just at the end of June told us that things were doing pretty good. End of June. Things got bad that fast. Fortunately, we spoke to the new CEO, Raj Subramanian, and Raj can be with us in a few minutes. And you'll see that exclusive interview later in the show. Unfortunately, this was no ordinary pre-announcement. Pretty much every single week since that June meeting where they told you things were going well, things have gotten worse. Yes, every single week. Week after week after week. It started in Asia, where China has had no snapback whatsoever from the worst COVID days. In fact, things may be worse now than ever. It's like China just stopped. Then you go to Europe. And the war in Ukraine has sapped confidence and crushed pocketbooks as prices for heat and electricity are anywhere from 3 to 10 times where they were a year ago. Who can afford that? Who can stay in business in those conditions? And then the one that I thought was most shattering, frankly, we got to the U.S. It's all FedEx. And while our country is definitely the best of the three, FedEx is telling us the story of slowing business while still positive. But business that is going very bad near the end of the last few weeks. E-commerce, yes, it's doing fine, but not as fine as we thought it would be. Now think of that. That's nothing anybody's thinking about. There are many companies that I can slough off as blaming the macro environment for their own problems. Excuse makers. Companies that use the worldwide economy as an alibi. FedEx is not one of them. Say what you want about this company. We know it pioneered much of what we regard as package delivery, and it got there a lot faster than it took competitor UPS. In other words, I believe FedEx when the CEO says the fault is in the stars, not themselves. An appropriation of Shakespeare that actually fits this time.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.